Hey everybody, it's Axay. It's the end of the year. We're wrapping up a successful year. This year we're doing our last open house today in Bixby, Oklahoma. And congratulations Spartans for having a winning season this year. Bixby Spartans had a great football season, so congratulations to them. So let's talk a little bit about what to do now that 2025 is over and you're thinking about selling your house in 2026. Well, you can do some of the things that my brother has been doing. He's not selling his house, but he has been starting to redo his house, new cabinets, new stuff like that. But if you don't want to wait that long, I've got the perfect house for you here. This house in Bixby, Oklahoma, in Addison Creek, is 3 bedrooms. Each bedroom has its own primary bathroom. It's got its own bathroom, each bedroom, all 3 bedrooms. And it's got a half bath for guests. Has a beautiful open floor plan, as a matter of fact, and I'm going to walk around so you can see the floor plan in this house. It's just a wide open concept that everybody would love. I mean, just take a look at this. I mean, this is the kitchen, and I'm going to go back over here. So, 2026 is around the corner, but you don't have to wait till 2026 to buy this house. This house is on the market right now for $514,000, some change. But the sellers are ready to move. It's the holiday season, and so why not start off the new year in a brand new house and look at this amazing, amazing kitchen. So as you get ready to finish off the year, let's finish the year off strong. Buy this new house in Bixby, Oklahoma, and you can be part of the Spartan family. Have a great weekend, and this is Axay with Epic Realty. My number is 918-850-2929. And don't forget, if you ever have a question about real estate, feel free to give me a call.